How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And can a VPN change your location? The answer is yes. So right here, as you can tell, according to my IP checker, even when I refresh it, it will still say that I am in Switzerland. And that's simply because I'm connected to the Swiss server with ExpressVPN. Now, let's say I disconnect here. By the way, if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about them. But let's say I want to use NordVPN's New York server right here. So let's go ahead and just click that, and it's as simple as that. So previously I was connected to Switzerland, and by the way, I will be able to have access to all the Swiss exclusive websites or streaming services, for example. And now that I'm connected to the American server here with NordVPN, I will be able to access American Netflix, Hulu, or any other US exclusive streaming service or website. And it's as simple as that with regards to changing your location. And of course, if you're specifically looking to bypass the geo restrictions and gain access to streaming services and whatnot, keep in mind you need to use a premium VPN and not just any VPN, which is why I have these 3 VPNs suggested here. After having tested a couple dozen VPNs, it came down to these 3 as the top 3 VPNs overall for privacy, speed, streaming, torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And they will cater to your needs, whether you want the best of the best for anonymity and privacy like ExpressVPN, if you want a good, well-rounded option such as NordVPN right here, that gives you a whole bunch of features, you can go with NordVPN. Or if you were looking for a budget option that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost, you have Surfshark. So yes, a VPN can change your location, and it is as simple as just clicking on one of the servers and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. Keep in mind that all these VPNs do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try out these services for 30 days risk-free, and they have 24/7 live chat support. You'll also find links to pricing and discounts, as well as full reviews, all in the description down below. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.